So Mommy had to run out in the middle of the night to the all-night pharmacy, and she left the pup-ups at home for 10 minutes, and look at what happened. Maji, did you go in the garbage? Who went in that garbage? Let me see. The laundry basket, the garbage. You are so naughty. Was it delicious? Who's a naughty boy? What's on your head? What is on your head at 2 o'clock in the morning? What if Mommy was gone all night long? You'd be stuck like that. Do you need help? You are so naughty. You are the naughtiest boy I ever met. Was that delicious? No wonder you don't lose any weight, you 110-pound fatty. That is not nice to go in the garbage. Oh, are you tired? Yeah, me too. Do you need help? Who went in that garbage? Who did that? Who did that? Who went in that garbage? I'm ashamed of you. You're naughty. What are you going to do? You are so lucky I love you so much. Should I take it off? Huh? Don't look the other way. Come on out here. Can you walk with it? Come on. Come on. Oh, you're stuck.